morning. So, been a little while since I've posted an actual video, not just a reel. So today I'm making a video for you guys. Over the past few weeks I've been stockpiling motorcycle parts, and today we're gonna put a couple of those on. I've got a Yoshimura carbon fiber slip-on we're putting on the bike today, and an NRC rear fender delete to get rid of that big ugly rear fender on the CB300R because it's gross. It's gross. So, starting today off, I just left Dunkin' Donuts, got my coffee. We're gonna go hit the car wash because the truck is disgusting and it needs a bath. Then we're gonna hit Walmart real quick because I need to get a brake light because I got a blinker and brake light out in the truck. Then we're headed to Dad's. When we get to Dad's, we're gonna pull the bike out of the garage, get it out in the driveway in the sun. It's almost 50 degrees today, almost no wind, and we're gonna put some parts on the bike today. Spring is right around the corner and I'm getting real antsy, so we're gonna start putting parts on the bike, get her ready for ride season. Stick along for the ride. Truck's clean. To Walmart. Is it just me, or do you guys park this far away from Walmart every single time, no matter what as well? I never park over in the main parking lot. I always park on the far side. Always. I don't know why. I just do. Look at that thing. Look at her. Oof. All right, guys, so we're at Dad's.
Hi.
Working on the bike. This is what you wanted to see. This is why we're at Dad's. Got the bike out. So, today we're gonna install the NRC New Rage Cycles. Ride the Rage. Rear fender delete. Get rid of this big, gaudy, ugly freaking thing that comes factory on these bikes. And Yoshi carbon fiber exhaust to get rid of this big ugly gaudy thing that comes on these freaking bikes. I hate those. They're so ugly. Let's get to it. Plate light works. Good to go. Right blinker works. Would you just look at it? Looks so much better. Now keep in mind, when you do this, all those wires and stuff you're gonna have to tuck up through this tiny little hole underneath your back seat. And when you do that, it's gonna end up taking up your tiny little cargo compartment you got here, but that's worth, you know, it's worth it. I think that looks so much better. Now for what you guys really want. The exhaust. All right, guys, so when you unbox your Yoshi, you're gonna get a kit. You got your clamps, pipe clamps, springs, and a spring tool, your mid pipe, and then that beautiful carbon fiber Yoshi. Whew, God, so pretty. Let's get to it.
of the sirens. Trying to make my way back to the silence. You got a one-track mind like a driving. I can hear the graveyard sing, now you got me flatline. Trying to make my way back to the silence.
Alright guys, so Yoshi's on, rear fender delete is on. Let's see what she sounds like.